Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Tab G6 Max, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Find the contact that you'd like to edit and tap on it. And now tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon. Now just tap on add picture. And here we can choose from different sections, so device photos from our own gallery, or we can open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. Google Photos, which are backed up photos, so let me just omit that. Monogram, so we can use 1 or 2 letters. You can change the background color, you can change the font also. You can also use emoji instead of the monogram, so just tap on this emoji, and here we've got the full list of available options, so obviously just choose one and apply it. As you can see, it will be set. Again, you can change the background color, and you can set the monochromatic option, so it will make it look more icon-like. Or illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online. So if you don't feel like using monogram, you don't want to use the photo, you can choose something from those options, maybe something that resembles you of this person, or something that looks pretty similar to this person, whatever. Just find the option and tap on it. So here we've got the presets, so we can change the colors. Moreover, if you want to, you can tap on this paint icon, let's say, and change the, for example, sky color manually, just like you want to. Tap on done. Here you can change the grass also, and the sunflowers color. So you can just do whatever you want here. Here in this section you can also crop the picture, so you can zoom it in or out, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it, and it looks the same if you will choose, for example, the illustration or the photo from your own gallery. And just tap on choose to confirm everything if you're happy with the results, and tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be also able to see this photo on the contact list. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.